Play. What is the difference between local and global variables in Python functions? Pause. Wait. Think. Local variables are defined within a function and have local scope, while global variables are defined outside functions and have global scope. Play. Explain recursion in Python functions. Pause. Wait. Think. Recursion is a technique where a function calls itself. It's important to have a base case to avoid infinite recursion. Play. What is a function decorator in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. A decorator is a special type of function that can be used to modify the behavior of another function. It is prefixed with the @ symbol. Play. How do you pass a variable number of arguments to a Python function? Pause. Wait. Think. You can use the args syntax to pass a variable number of positional arguments or quarks for a variable number of keyword arguments. Play. What is the purpose of the _init_underscore method in Python classes? Pause. Wait. Think. How can you define a function that accepts an arbitrary number of keyword arguments? Pause. Wait. Think. You can use quarks in the function parameter list to accept an arbitrary number of keyword arguments. Play. Explain the concept of a higher-order function in Python. Pause. Wait. Think. A higher-order function is a function that takes one or more functions as arguments or returns a function as its result. Play. What is the purpose of the map function in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. The map function is used to apply a given function to all items in an iterable, e.g., a list, and returns an iterator of the results. Play. How can you check if a variable is a function in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. You can use the callable function to check if a variable is callable, which includes checking if it's a function. Play. How can you provide default values for function parameters in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. Default values for function parameters can be set during the function definition. For example, definite my_function, param1, param2 default_value.